Strengthening Faith 125. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the different types of Muslims in this world and their behavior. According to this thought, Muslims can be split into three groups. The first group are the best and consist of the Muslims who hand their lives and possessions over to Allah, the Exalted, thereby fulfilling the purpose of their creation. They only take from the material world in order to fulfill their necessities and responsibilities, and dedicate the rest of their efforts in gaining and acting on knowledge so that they can strengthen their faith and gain the proximity of Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. Outwardly, they may seem as if they do not enjoy life in this world, but in reality, they obtain more peace in it than the other types of Muslims. Their reckoning on Judgment Day will be easy through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. The second group consists of those Muslims who fulfill their obligatory duties and whatever traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, they come across without putting extra effort in obtaining or acting on Islamic knowledge. They dedicate the majority of their efforts to gaining and enjoying the lawful pleasures of this world. As they avoid the unlawful, it is hoped they will gain the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted, in the next world. But as they indulged in the material world, their accountability will be long. And as warned by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6536, whoever has their deeds scrutinized will be punished. Standing and witnessing the horrors of the Day of Judgment for an extremely long time because of one's enjoyment in the world is a form of punishment. The final group of Muslims are the worst type, as they do not dedicate their lives to Allah, the Exalted, like the best group, but neither do they enjoy the lawful pleasures of the material world like the second group. These people instead hoard the worldly things they obtain without fulfilling their lawful desires. This attitude causes them to stand between the two other groups, meaning, they will not enjoy the lawful things of this world, nor will they have an easy reckoning on the Day of Judgment, because of the worldly things they obtained. It is therefore important for Muslims not to belong to this final group, as this is a clear loss. A Muslim should try to belong to the best group, but if they really cannot manage this, then they should at least join the second group by fulfilling their obligatory duties, enjoy only the lawful pleasures of this world, and hope for the forgiveness and mercy of Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.